Syria's President Bashar al-Assad has accused Kurdish forces of quote-unquote stealing from the Syrian people after an American company inked a contract with Kurdish authorities in northeastern Syria. The contract looks to develop and export the region's crude oil under a secretive deal. The agreement comes months after US President Donald Trump announced he was leaving US troops to secure the oil.
We're keeping the oil. We have the oil. The oil is secure. We left troops behind only for the oil.
A little-known firm led by politically connected former military and diplomatic officials in America is at the center of this development. The company, Delta Crescent Energy, LLC, was incorporated in Delaware a little over a year ago. 3 people are said to be on the helm of this company: a former diplomat to Denmark, a former soldier of the elite forces, and a former executive of a UK-based oil company with experience in Syria. It has been in talks with the Kurds for more than a year. America has categorically said, and I quote, "Syrian oil is for the Syrian people and we remain committed to the unity and territorial integrity of Syria." The State Department assures that the United States does not own, control or manage the oil resources of Syria. However, Syrian President Bashar al-Assad is seething with anger. The Assad government doesn't recognize Kurdish authorities in the region as autonomous. Now, here is what Syria will look like with US oil interests operating in the northeast. Washington has long sought control of Syria's oil fields, which are largely concentrated in the northeastern part of the country, that is, under the autonomous administration of North and East Syria, the enclave commonly known as Rojava. Drilling firm Delta Crescent will be operating under the protection of the Kurdish-led Syrian Democratic Forces and the US military. The presence of heavily armored Kurds and US Special Forces will serve as deterrents against Bashar al-Assad's forces backed by Russia. From controlling the oil reserves in Hasaka and Deir al-Zor, 2 critical oil-rich regions connected by an oil pipeline. Syria's foreign minister calls the deal illegal and accuses the agreement of stealing Syria's crude reserves. He has called it a deal between thieves who are stealing and thieves who are buying. Turkey, which supports Bashar al-Assad's government in Syria, has spoken out as